Vaccines are now available for soldiers and their family members 16 years and older. And come Thursday, any adult in Washington will be able to get a vaccine. But as King 5's Sebastian Robertson reports, the amount of doses the state is getting is a concern for health officials.
It was a soft launch of sorts for the Army. Today, about 200 people received their vaccine for COVID-19, a drive-through system that for the time being will be the new normal.
Are you ready, ma'am?
Yep. Both in the military and civilian world, a change in tactics in our fight against the coronavirus.
We were taking a defensive posture last year, so this time we're going on the offense.
A year ago, Major Edward Murray was part of the Army's effort to convert what was then CenturyLink Field into a hospital. That hospital closed without seeing a patient, and a year later, he's overseeing the vaccination efforts on base.
Will I take it? Will I recommend this vaccine for my family? Of course I would. I trust the scientific community. I looked at the research myself, so I'm happy getting this vaccine and happy giving it to others.
It's quick, huh?
The military's vaccine rollout moving to phase 2. Anyone over 16 receiving coverage through the Department of Defense is now eligible to receive the vaccine.
Life is going to go back to normal.
A move that Washington State will follow Thursday. One that comes at a time where the Washington Hospital Association says numbers are on the rise for the first time in weeks. Hospital visits around 420, up from 350. Vaccine supply remains the biggest challenge.
We still have a lot of work to do across our state to really reach those vulnerable populations because there has been a little bit of a disconnect between the vaccine and where we've seen the cases.
UW Medicine citing a wait list of more than 30,000 people. Many organizations report receiving less doses than ordered from the federal government.
We're probably getting half of what we order.
That was your first shot.
Back at JBLM, and the mission continues to vaccinate as many military members as possible. Active duty members are not required to get the vaccine, though it is highly recommended. To date, some 25,000 people associated with JBLM have been fully vaccinated. At JBLM, Sebastian Robertson, King 5 News.